Dr. Jennifer Kwan didn't have Twitter before the pandemic, but her concern for the virus prompted her to open an account to keep the public informed on the virus. The general practitioner now has over 42,000 followers.
Really being great to connect with many other people who have similar concerns and want to stay educated on the statistics of the pandemic.
Now Dr. Kwan is looking to help people directly as a volunteer physician at Joseph Brandt's COVID Field Hospital. In anticipation of her first shift, Dr. Kwan has just received her first dose of the COVID vaccine.
I wouldn't say it's any worse than like a flu shot or anything like that. And next day I had a little bit of soreness in the arm here.
Despite the slow start, Dr. Kwan says she's encouraged that the rollout is speeding up. But as Premier Ford said earlier today, the pace is going to result in empty freezers soon.
Dr. Kevin Smith at UHN has said he'll exhaust his supply today.
With the Premier pleading for more vaccines, Prime Minister Trudeau says Ottawa is delivering.
This week, over 124,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine were delivered to 68 sites across the country. Over 208 Pfizer doses will be delivered weekly for the rest of January. On Moderna, by the end of next week, over 171,000 doses will be delivered to the provinces and territories.
As the two vaccines continue to be shipped, Premier Ford is hoping more will enter Canada's borders.
Please approve AstraZeneca. We're in desperate need of it. Please approve it. It's been approved by other health agencies around the world, and that will really, really help us out.
The approval would help all Canadians. As the Minister of Procurement, Anita Anand, said today, the Prime Minister's promise to have vaccines available to everyone by September is dependent on it.
We know that 2 additional vaccine candidates are in rolling review with Health Canada, being AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson. And so the numbers that we are using for our predictions are based on the assumption that the vaccines that we have procured will indeed be approved by Health Canada.
Now, if approved by Health Canada, Canada would receive up to 20 million doses of AstraZeneca and up to 38 million doses of Johnson & Johnson. Canada also has agreements with 3 more vaccine manufacturers that, if approved, would add another 224 million doses.